In this session, we're going to learn how to have Medisoft track appointments and let you know if an appointment was not billed. To do that, it's kind of sophisticated and it requires setup and process in your practice. The way to do that is you go to File, Program Option, and under Data Entry, you may need to make sure that Force Document Number is on and Use Serialized Super Bill is on. So when you do that, from now on every single appointment that you have, it's going to serialize it when you print the super bill. So when I come here and now do a report and print super bill, you can have different template, of course, so it doesn't matter which template you use. I'm going to just show it on the screen first, and I'm going to filter for today's date. And for each appointment that you have, it's going to have a serialized super bill. So you have 7 super bills. Each one has a unique number, and it will start where you left off last time. So when you print those super bills, it's going to lock it in the system that those super bills were printed. So if a patient was not billed, it's going to give it to you in a report. So let's see how this works. So going back to billing, and now instead of really typing here the patient chart, I can actually just type the super bill. So if I type 1007, it will bring that patient on the screen. When I enter my CPT 99213, I have the diagnosis, hit save. So this super bill has been entered. Now when I go to the next one, let's say I want to bill 008. Now I need to bill this one. So let's say 99214. Have the serial number, hit transaction, save, then go to the next one, 09. And let's do 99215. Okay, and hit save. Then last one I'm going to do 10. Okay, so now I'm going to type in 99. Let's say I'm going to take this one here. Let's say this one didn't show up, and I'm going to do a like a no shop fee for, let's say, $50. Okay, and hit it. So at the end of the day, or at the end of the week, or at the end of the month, I can actually find out who was never billed. So when I close this and go under report, go under customize report list, so there's something here called super bill tracker. So super bill tracker right here, and that will show me a couple options. Number one, first of all, I can just filter for what day I want. So let's say if I wanted, or if you leave it blank, it will tell you who was never billed since you started the system. And the status, I have 2 status. Billed means who was billed. Printed means it was printed and was never billed. If I leave it blank, it's going to give you both. So if I do that, it's going to now to give you a list of every one if it was billed. So 101 was billed, 102 was billed. Then now you see that those ones were not billed yet. So all of those ones up to 107 was billed, 108 was billed. So there's now if I want to only track the one that were never billed, so if I go back to my custom report list and go back to my super bill tracker, and now I'm going to do only the one that were printed but not billed. That one is going to give me only the ones that were never billed. So this is the way that you can actually track if a super bill was printed or an appointment, because now you link in that super bill to the appointment, and if this never made it to billing, then you would know that this was never billed. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any more question on this, contact me at the following screen with my contact information.